Mhm.
Good morning. This morning I was out in my garden and I was harvesting, and I have a ton of this crookneck squash, and it is just going so crazy. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it all. So the crookneck squash is summer squash, and I'm going to try to make up some kind of a casserole to use up a great deal of that. This is a zucchini that got too big, I think. I like them when they're smaller. They are extremely fast to grow once they start developing, and if you have any kind of heat at all, you better check it like even hourly, well, at least daily. I should have picked this one yesterday. It was a lot smaller yesterday. And then these are two butternut squash that I picked also. I have a ton more on the vine. I just don't. Uh, I just don't think me and my husband can eat all this produce. So, anyways, I just thought I would show you a quick update on today's harvest. And there's a lot more out there.